In this video, I'm going to provide you with a tutorial on GoHighLevel. What is GoHighLevel? GoHighLevel is an all-in-one marketing and sales platform for agencies, but not just for agencies, also business owners and podcasters and whatever you do to generate money. Why? Because it's an all-in-one platform that helps you to create this beautiful marketing ecosystem. So all the way from generating a lead to the fulfillment on whatever it is that you are selling in your business. So it is a really, really awesome system. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up your GoHighLevel account. My name is Joy Nicholson. Welcome back to my channel. This channel is about providing you with tips and tools, not just to grow your business, but also your mindset and your habits. So please do me a favor, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on further videos. Let's dive into this. I'm going to share my screen with you. When you log into your agency dashboard, this is what you will see. Now, I'm going to show you specifically how to set up a sub account within GoHighLevel. Now, it's very simple to do. I already have many sub accounts set up here because I've been using GoHighLevel for a long time. But ignore what you see there and let's focus on the left-hand side. Under the left-hand side, you have a button that says sub accounts. When you click on sub accounts, on the right-hand side there, it says there add sub account. So you click on add sub account. And over here, you can have your own snapshots, which we have our own snapshots, and you can have imported snapshots. You can have vertical snapshots. There's all kinds of things here based on your business. So I'm just going to go for the purpose of this example and then just use the attorney snapshot. So when you do that, so say this person lives in, I don't know, say New York. I'm just going to make up a street to, I don't know, is there a street New York? There we go, to Street New York. Okay, I don't even know if that's a thing. And then you just click on this address. And there you've got this setup that you can do. So for the purpose of this example, I'm just going to say test at test.com. And then the business name is, say, New York Test Account, to street, city, let's say New York City, and then it's in the United States, region is New York. And because it's already pulling through that, because that's the address it's just searched on, let's say that's the code. Phone number, I don't even know if it's going to give me the right one. Let's type in some random numbers there. Website is www.test.com. The time zone is actually very important because you use the time zone for lots of different things. It is actually where you create your calendar connections and all of those things. So it is very important to make sure that you do choose the right time zone. I'm just going to go with Phoenix for now, and then you save that. And it is as simple as that to create a sub account. Now, obviously, you want to add a little bit more to the sub account. So you're going to go to general information and you make sure you've got everything there. You can select the user and tasks eventually when you've got your calendar set up, and you've got your social media profiles that you can add, which I would highly recommend because you want to pull that through everywhere you can. And that's basically how you set up your sub account. So it is very, very simple. Now let's log out completely out of the agency view and go to this test account. So when you click in, this is how this is going to look when you have your account set up. So this is still under your agency view. Now, how does this look for the actual client? And also, how does it look for you if you want to edit things within their funnels and website, etc.? So then what you're going to do is you're going to go to the actual sub account on the top here, and you're going to click into the name of the sub account. Now this opens their dashboard. And this is now where you're going to go more in depth. This is where you're going to build their funnels, their website, their courses, where they're going to generate leads, their CRM, everything. So this is completely detached from your main agency account. You can understand now how lucrative this can be for a business, right? So like I said before, you can charge these people $500, $600, $1,000 a month to run everything for them, including their podcast things or whatever you do as an agency. Okay. So on the left-hand side, you have Launchpad, dashboard, conversations, calendars, contacts, opportunities, payments, marketing, automation, sites, reputation, reporting, and then the training and support is something extra that I've bought for my agency clients, which is from Agency Armory. I will drop a link below for that. But this is really what I mean with a complete marketing ecosystem. So what you do now is you go into, like, for example, Launchpad, And then they connect everything here. You can connect your Google My Business, Facebook, Stripe. You can even do a WordPress website. It's so easy to do. You just literally follow the prompts. I'm not going to go into too much detail on here because I don't want to make this video too long, but I want to show you the powerness of this system. Is powerness a word? I'm not sure. Then you have dashboard. So dashboard is where your pipelines sit. So under opportunities, and payments, this is where you set up your dashboard. Sorry, under opportunities, you create a pipeline. If I want to say create a pipeline, I'm just going to say test podcast lead gen, and state name is just say lead gen. I'm not going to do a full tutorial on this. I just want to show you how this looks like. So now you've got this set up there. If you go back to your dashboard, you can see it showing up under your pipeline stages here as test lead podcast lead gen. And this will show then the figures that pulls through when you actually sell a course, or when you have an opportunity that sits in one of your pipelines, conversion rate, all of those things set up. So at the end of the day, this is really a beautiful marketing ecosystem, including a very powerful CRM that you can manage everything. You can set up calendar appointments, you can pull sales reports, you can do all of these things. Then conversations all leads up, it all links up together. And this is, again, the ecosystem. Because when you have conversations going, this is where you can text people from within conversations. You can email them, they can reply you. So if you have a salesperson working within your team, you can only give them access to that. You don't need to give them access to marketing automation and all of that stuff. You can set up what they see, and you can only give them access to the CRM part where they can then manage the conversations with clients. So it's very powerful. It's really like Salesforce or Pipeline or Pipedrive, any of those CRM systems. And then calendars is obviously that this links up with your Google Calendar or whatever calendar you use, and it just synchronizes everything. So you can set up appointments. You've got different calendars that you can set up. You can set up calendars for yourself, for your team. You can do team calls, you can individual calls, etc. Very powerful stuff. And obviously set up your staff that will see the certain calendars, etc. Again, I'm not going to go full on training because this will make this video very long, but I just need you to understand the power of the system and how you can implement it in your business as an agency. And then you've got contacts. So contacts is really important to have, because with contacts, this is a tutorial account. Obviously we set up so you can't see anything, but let me actually create a contact. So we can just .com. It does need a phone number, and then it says safe. So the most powerful thing with the contacts is always use a tag. Tags are very important. With tags, you can set up smart lists, you can do bulk actions, you can do so many things with tags. And with tags also, obviously you want to create the information. You can, if you say a tag here, let's just say new lead, you add that in. And then if you want to then set up, if you want to then email just the new leads, you can send them to the specific thing that you are selling. But this is all also where automation comes in. So everything goes in automation. So you don't have to do one by one either. That's going to take a long time. So there's all kinds of automation workflows and things like that. And if it's a new lead that you maybe spoke to somebody at an event and this person comes in, you can actually add this person to one of your automations manually because it's one lead, right? So you can then, they can get all your emails, they can maybe get access to a free course, etc. However that looks like. And then obviously an offer, this is where you actually have a membership or a course that you are selling and you can give them access to that. Again, very powerful stuff. And then payments is where you can, opportunities, obviously we've gone through. Payments is where you can do invoicing. It's very awesome. I actually used the invoicing setting myself for the first time a couple of weeks ago. And it's really cool because it uses Stripe to collect the money. So you just, and then they, on the invoice, it's a payment thing that goes through to your Stripe, because remember, it's all connected under your Launchpad, and bam, Bob's your uncle, and it actually gets you the payment through Stripe. So you don't have to worry about sending details. It's just so easy. And then orders, subscriptions, coupons, you can do all of these things. Again, check the link below for my other videos. I've got a playlist with GoHighLevel videos. Marketing, being a marketer, this is my most fun one. I don't know why, I just love the stuff in marketing. So you can set up email campaigns, you can set up templates, you've got an affiliate manager things, and this is so powerful with the emails, because here you can replace, and I have replaced things like iWeber or ActiveCampaign, or what's the other one? The monkey one, forgot. But anyway, so you can actually set up your emails templates and send out email campaigns. You can do all of these things. Again, very powerful. You can even set up a social media campaign. Once you connected your social media things, you can see you can connect Facebook, TikTok, Google My Business, LinkedIn, and you can send automation things set up. So instead of using Business Suite for just Google, just for like Facebook, and then you have to use a different one for LinkedIn, a different one for this, you can actually have this all set up and you can do one post for them. It's really powerful. And then I'm not going to go into all the other things. And then you've got automation, which is really cool, because this is, I can say, the cream on the top. Okay. On the workflow things, I'm going to just say from scratch to have an example here. So add a new workflow trigger. So what is that thing that they have done in your business? So maybe they have ordered something. Okay. So they've bought a course. Now they've ordered you ordered the thing, you add a filter. What have they bought? There's a global product. It is not, and it's in this filter or this thing. Unfortunately, this is the tutorial account that we've set up now together, so there's no content there, but you can dive it down into the filters. You can say this order form is on this funnel or this website, and this is basically, then you save the trigger. And then the next step is, what's that next logical thing? That you want to get an internal notification that somebody has made this purchase. And then you want to send them an email, which obviously you set up under your templates, but then you send them an email to say that, hey, welcome to blah, 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 blah. So all of these things is 100% automated. And once you've set it up, you just maintain it and make sure that nothing breaks and everything stays smooth. But it is that simple. And you can see here, you can give them access to your membership. You can revoke that offer if they don't actually do the thing. There's so much that you can do within workflows that makes your life easy. Again, that beautiful marketing ecosystem. I get so excited about these things. And then sites, it's very fun. You can build websites, funnel, blogs. You can do now WordPress, memberships, forms, surveys, which is very important as well. It's a really, service is a fantastic way to generate leads, by the way. And then chat widget, media, URL direct. So this is pretty much self-explanatory. I'm not going to go into this. I'll quickly show you how it looks like if you want to start a funnel. You can go to template library. You can see all these beautiful templates, which, by the way, this is a new feature. This was not always a thing in high level. So this is really, really cool that they have made sure that there is just so many more templates that they have. And it's really cool. So you just click on one of these templates. I've just chosen hospitality and travel. You say, yes, sure, you want this one. And then it says about this template and you can customize it. And you say, yes, sure, I want this, continue. And then you just say, basically getting the template, you agree to the template is free, blah, blah. Yes, sure. And then you wait a second. It takes like a few seconds to come through the system. And there's the hospitality one. And you just edit it. And if you used any other basic editing tool before, like ClickFunnels or Kajabi or any of those, it's really the same concept. I know there's so many different things out there, but there is not one single product that is like GoHighLevel, where it's an all-in-one agency. And then it's just drag and drop. You can play with that. I've got videos on showing you how to do funnels in GoHighLevel. And then we go back. And then reputation management, this is when you actually connect your social media sites and you can see your reviews coming in and all of those things. Very cool. And reporting, this is when you have a sales team. This is powerful. This is really, really cool because you can see what you've closed, opportunities you've closed. Obviously, your calendar things pulls in here, your calling reports, appointment report is your calendar, calling report is when you actually, put things in. You connect your actual phone things to GoHighLevel, which you can do as well. This is all connected. Again, very powerful tool. And then you've got training and support, this is apart from GoHighLevel. I bought this separately for my clients. This is an agency snapshot from Agency Armory that you connect, that just shows tutorial videos and so on. Because as the only downside is that if you're not on the top accounts of GoHighLevel and you have agency sub accounts, then they won't see the little question mark on the top right. But then you can do something like this to get people to just show them the videos if you don't provide all the training yourself. And that is how you set up a sub account within GoHighLevel, and a really beautiful way to make a lot of money as an agency. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and check out the links below in the description. I'll see you in the next video.